Hey guys, we're back with Wyatt's Tractor Sales for another video. Today we're in St. James, Missouri, and we are at a little bit different style auction than what we're used to. There's no tractors today, no farm equipment, but got lots of signs, automotive collectibles, got some cars, lots of bicycles, pedal cars, toys, signs, a couple pedal tractors, you name it, it's here. Very, very cool place. Lots of high quality items. And we're gonna see what some of this stuff brings.
Watch the field behind the plow turn to straight dark rows. Feel the trickle in your clothes. Blow the dust cakes from your nose. Hear the tractor's steady roar. No, you can't stop now, with a quarter section more or less to go.
5, 7, oh, Greyhound wagon. Everybody gave on money there on the Greyhound wagon. Everybody gave on 100. Everybody wanted 100. Everybody wanted 50. Everybody 25. Now 30. Now 25, 30. Everybody 25, 30. Everybody 30. Everybody 30. Now 5. 35. Now 40. Now 5. 45. Got the John Deere pedal car right here. John Deere pedal car right here. Everybody car right there. Everybody 559, we got the Coca Cola bicycle. All right, you go. Everybody Coca Cola bicycle. Everybody get our money in there. Everybody get our brand new. Looks like everybody get our everybody get our 100. Everybody 100. Everybody 100. Where's that bicycle lady? Oh, there she is. On the Look at him. Hey, I noticed you're holding both numbers now. I'm just kidding. All right, here we go. Hey, we got the Casey Jones pedal car here, 561. No story to go here on it with the trailer. about 425, sold 425 to 166. 166.
5 down, hit it, we get 5, 7.5, keep it down, hit it, we get 750, 7.5, keep it down, hit it, we get 750 to bound, hit it, we get 7.5, anybody get $6, money's on, $6 bill, lady, we get 6 to bound, hit it, we get $6, $6, keep it down, lady, we get 6, pound, $6 bill, lady, we get 6 to bound, lady, we get $6, anywhere else, $6, sold it, $5, 125, $5, 125. America's Highway, Route 66. I got the ready to go, here we go. 10 sign. How much, guys? You tell me. Anybody get 5? 5 to bound, anybody get 5 to bound, anybody get 5, 5, 5, even it down, anybody get 5, anybody get 2, 2 to bound, anybody get 2, 2, 2, even it down, anybody get 2 to bound, anybody get 2, 2, 2, even it down, anybody get 2, give a $1 bill, anybody get $1, now 2, 2 to bound, anybody get 2, now 3, 3 to bound, anybody get 4, 4, 4, even it down, anybody get 4 to bound, anybody get 4, anybody else, $4 bill, anybody get 4, sold at $3, 200 to buyer, 200 to buyer. Ford sign, guys, heavy duty sign, ready to go. Official Ford product right here. Got the emblem on the back, hologram on the back, ready to go, guys. I got 5, 7.5. Keep it down, heavy duty get 750. Now 10, 10 about heavy duty get 10 about heavy duty get 10, 10 about give 8, 8 about heavy duty get 8, now 9, 9 about heavy duty get 10 about heavy duty get 10, 10, 10. Keep it down, heavy duty get 10 about heavy duty get 10, 10, 10. Keep it down, heavy duty get 10 about heavy duty get 10. Anybody else say 10? Sold at $9, number 200. $9, number 200.
Now 75, 75, now 80, now 80, now 80, now 80, now 100, now 110, 120, everyone 120, everyone 120, 110, 120, everyone 110, 120, everyone go back in, 110, 120, so 110, number 136. All right, here we go right here, 568, we're going to say a little Harley Davidson, little kids, bicycle, motorcycle. Yeah, I don't know exactly what they're called. Everyone, E1, everyone, 100, everyone, 25, 35, 40, everyone, 40, everyone, 40, everyone, 35, 40, now 5, 45, now 50, now 50, now 50, now 50, 45, 50, everyone, 50, so, everybody, $45.
1090.
5090.
1090.
1090. Now we're too loud, I can't hear you. All right, here we go. On the Stingray right here. Now these are Orange County chopper bikes. If you look right here, they got Orange County OCC on the right there. All right, here we go. Everyone gave our, what do you think of there? Everyone gave about 200. Everyone gave about 100. Everyone gave about 50, 75. Everyone gave 75, 50, 75, 50, 75. Everyone gave 75. Everyone gave 75, 75, 75. 75, now 100. 75, 100. 75, 100. 70, you need it. 100. 100, now 125. Everyone 25. Everyone 125. Everyone 125. Everyone 125. Everyone 25. 125. Sold 100. Number 198. 198. All right, here we go. Everyone got another. Is this one in between those two? 570 on the scooter. Everyone gave our one thing in there. Everyone gave our little foot down the scooter. Everyone 75. Everyone 75, 75, 75. Everyone 70. Everyone 70 there. Everyone 70. Everyone 70. Everyone 70. Everyone $50. Everyone 25, 30. Everyone 25, 30. Everyone 30. Everyone 30. Everyone 25, 30. Everyone 30. Everyone 30. Everyone 30. Everyone 25. Everyone $20. Everyone 10, 15. Everyone 10, 15. Everyone 10, 15. 20. Everyone 20. Everyone 20, 15, 20. Everyone 20. Everyone 20. So $15 for 124. 124. Orange County chopper mic right here. OCC. Everyone gave our about 200. Everyone gave about 200. Everyone 25. About 125. You want to be 100 on that too? 125. 100. You have a pair. Give 100. 100 now 25. 125. 125. 25. Give about 125. 125. About 125. Sold 101.98. 198 supplier. All right, here we go. What's next? All right, here we go here. 572. 572. Don't say that little pedal wagon right there. Everyone give our money, they can buy, everyone give our, everyone 300. Everyone 300. You get grandma and grandpa to come with it. Everyone 300. Everyone 300. Everyone, look at 200.
75.
75. Now 100. 75, 100. 75, 100. Everyone 75. Everyone give one, everyone give it out 1. 75, 100. Everyone 1, everyone, 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 everyone give it out 1. 75, 100. Everyone 1, everyone give it out 1. Everyone 75, 100. So you're right. $75.
1057.
1057. Selling you the Amico jacket, Winston, headset, mic, earphones right there, and the Dale Earnhardt Jr. hat. Everybody give what do you think in there? Everybody give more. George, don't mess with that till we're done selling that. Everybody give more. What do you think in here? Everybody give more. What do you think in here? Everybody give more. Everybody give more. Everybody 50. Everybody give about 25. Everybody 45. We get 10. Everybody 10. Everybody 5, 6. Everybody 5 a car. That's 6 down 7. Everybody 6 down 7. Now wait. Now 9. Now 10. Now 11. Now 11. Now 14. 20. Now 5. 25. 20, 25. You want it, sir? About 20, about 25, 20, 25. So here, $20, 175. Now we're going to sell you Elvis. We're going to sell you this big Elvis right here. All right, here we go. On the Elvis right there. Everybody get one, about 50,000. Everybody 1, everyone, 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 500. Everybody 500. Everybody 2, 3. Everybody 2, 3, 3, 3, everybody 300. Everybody 2, everybody 3, everybody 3, everybody 2, 300. Hey, one thing for sure, you know why he will have left the building. 2, 300, 2, 300, 2, 300, 2, 300. Got 300? Where'd you take it? 250, 300. Well, who you got? 250, 300. Everybody 300. Give it with the 300. Now half, 3.5, 350. Who is it, Ryan? 350. Everybody 350. Now 4. You have to raise your hand. 350, 400. Everybody 4. Now 4. Now half. 4.5. 450. 500. 500. 500. Now half. 5.5. 5.5. 550. 600. Everybody 550. 600. Everybody 600. You want 600. 600. Everybody 550. 600. That's it. Now half. 6.5. 6.5. 6.5. Get out of yes or no? Now 7. Now 7. Now 7. Everybody 7. Everybody 7. Everybody 700. Everybody 7. You got me 7, sir. Everybody 700. Now half. 7.5. 750. 7.5. Now 800. Now 800. Now half. 8.5. Everybody 850. Everybody 850. Everybody 8.5. Now 900. Now 9. Now 9. Everybody 850. 900. Everybody 900. Got me 900. 859. Take another look. 85900. Everybody 9. Everybody 9. 85900. Everybody 9. Everybody 9. Everybody 859. You like it, don't you? 9. Now 50. Everybody 9 half. Everybody 9 half. Everybody 9 half. 950. Everybody 9 half. So, $900, 175. All right, here we go here. What's 575. What's the Collectible sign? Oh, on the tire stand right there. B&F Rivers tire stand. Everybody give our, what do you think in there? Everybody give about 25. 25, about 25. Everybody 5. Everybody, look at 20. Everybody give about 20. 25, 25, 20, 25. Everybody 20, 25, 25, 25. Now 30, now 30, now 5, 35, now 40, now 40. Everybody, about 35, about 35, 40. So $35 here. 180. Now we can sell the Atlas sign. Sell the Atlas sign right here. The Atlas tire stand. Everybody gave $50. Everybody gave about 25. Everybody 25, 25, 25. Everybody 20, everybody 20 here. Everybody, who gave 10? Everybody gave 10, everybody 10. On the Atlas tire, $15. Now 20, everybody 20, everybody 25, 25, 30. Now 30, now 30, now 30, now 35, 35, 35, 40. Everybody 35, 40. Everybody 35, 40. Everybody 35, 40. So you're right, $35. 1076. All All right, here we go. Just leave it right there. We're on 577. We're going to show you the marathon sign right there. The marathon sign is just one side of the can sign. Everybody in right there. Everybody, it is plastic. Everybody in about 200. Everybody, who give 100 for it? Everybody, I have a perfect wall display. Give 100. Everybody, 1. Everybody, 1. Everybody, 100. 1. Everybody, marathon. About 50, 75. About 75, 75, 75, 75. So $50, remember? 170. Now we're selling the Coca lighted sign. It's two-sided. Two-sided. All right, here we go. Everybody about 576. 578, 578. Everybody gave one. What do you think? Everybody about 500. Everybody 500. Everybody 500. Everybody 500. Everybody what do you think? Everybody 500. Everybody 500. Everybody that sign right there. Everybody about 200 free. Everybody 300. Give 100 to start. 102, everybody 2, got you 2, 102, 100 and a half, everybody 150, everybody, it's a lighted sign, two-sided, 100 and a half, everybody give about 150, about 100 and a half, now 2, now half, 2 and a half, 2 and a half, 250, everybody about $250, everybody 250, 250, 250, everybody 2, give about 250, give about 2, give about 250, give about 250, everybody 2, give about 2 and a half, you want me 250? 250? Everybody 2, get about 200, get about 2 and a half, get about 31 in, 250. Everybody 2, get about 2, get about 2 and a half. So $200 right here. 148. 148 is a liar. What time is it, Brian? 15 minutes. We're heading out there to the cars in just about 15 minutes. All right, Texaco. We're going to say this sign. What's the number? 579. All right, here we go. Everybody, what do you think here? Everybody, 579 on the Texaco sign. Everybody, what do you think here? Everybody, about 25. Everybody, 25, 25, 25. About 20, about 20, about 20. Everybody, 10, everybody, 5. Everybody, 10, 15, 10, 15, 10, 15, 10, 15, 15, now 20, now 20, about 20, now 5, 25, 25, 25, 20, 25. Everybody, about 20, now about 5. Now 30, now 30, now 5, 35, 35, 40, everybody 40, now 5, 45, now 50, now 50, now 55, 55, 55, 50, 55, everybody 55, 55, everybody 55, 55, everybody 55, 55, 55, everybody 55, so $50 number 127. Is that everything in here? Oh.
It was a project. I guess all the parts are thrown in there. There's some parts in there. I hope they all fit. So. Lot number 599, Crystal. Where you at? Oh, okay.
Yeah, we do.
Okay, we do have a title on this.
Yeah, 599.
What year was it?
The year does not say. Oh, no, okay.
1940 model Bantam right here.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Now listen up. You buy these cars, you pay for them, they have a title, you write a check. We're not giving you the title until your check clears, so just want you to know that. If you need to pick one up, I'm sure Cash and Jerry will be glad to make arrangements for you to get there and pick one up if you don't have a trailer, to take it with you or come back as soon as you can. So it won't be a problem you picking them up. They'll be glad to open up the gates and let you get them. So we're going to kick off right here with this 1940 Bantam right here. It's a little project car, $599. All right, give it about give, give it about, who get 3,000, give it about 3, give it about 2,500, give it about 25, give it about give 2, give it about 2,000, give it about 2, give it about, who give $1,000, give it about 1, give it got a title, give it about 500, 600, give it about 5, give it about 6, now 7, give it about 6, 700, let's have it about, give it about 700, money down, give it about 6, now 7, 700, now 7, now 7, now 7, 6, 700, give it about 7, about 6, give it about 7, now $700, give it about 7, on the project, $700, give it about 6, 700. Have it about 7. Have it about, give it about 6, give it about 7, now 700, have it about 7, you want in back here, $700. Have it about, give it about 6, give it about 7, now 7, now 7, have it about 6, give it about 700, have it about 7 on the project, bam, have it about, give it about 6, give it about 700. 700. 700. Have it about, give it about 6, have it about 7. So, $600 on the end. 136 is a buyer. All right, now, we're going to offer you up that little electric car back there where Brian's standing. This right here is no title. The old bill of sale job right there. On the Jerry calls this an early Tesla. Everybody give bar, what are you thinking here? Everybody give bar, what are you thinking right? Everybody give bar, everybody give it about. Who get 500? Everybody 5. Everybody 5. Little electric car. Everybody 5. Everybody 2, 300. Everybody 2, 3, 3. Everybody 3. Everybody 2, 300. Everybody 3, 3. Everybody. It's like a golf cart with a cab. 2, 300. Everybody 2. Everybody 3. Everybody 3. Everybody 2, 3, 3. Anybody in it? Everybody 2, 300. Everybody. Everybody 2, everybody 3, probably not. Everybody 2, everybody 3, everybody 3, everybody 2, 300. Everybody 2, everybody 3, everybody 3, everybody 2, everybody 3, 2, 300. Everybody 2, everybody 3, everybody 3, everybody 2, 3, 3, everybody 3, everybody 3, everybody 2, 3. Pass. Let's go to this F-150 right here. Lot number 601. Yeah, starting up. 601. Brian. Look and see what the year is. I don't remember what all this stuff is.
You got the year?
97, Red. 97.
1997 F-150 right here. It's a mild custom built by George Barris. It's painted right on the tailgate back there. Jerry's drove it to St. James and back twice. Runs out good. All right, give it about, give bar. What do you think? Give it about, give bar. Give it about. We get 15. Have it about 15. Where? Give it about, give 10. Have it about 10. Have it about 5, 6,000. Have it about 5. Give it about 6. Give it about 6. Give it about 5, 6,000. Have it about 5. Give it about 6. Give it about 6. Give it about 5. Give it about where? Have it about 5. Give it about 6. Give it about 6. Give it about 5. Give it about 6. Give it about 5, 6,000. Have it about 5. Give it about 5. Give it about 3, 4,000. Have it about 3, 4, 4. It's running. Have it about 4. Give it about 4. Give it about 3, 4. Give it about 4,000. Have it about, give it about 4, have it about 3, have it about 4, have it about 4, have it about, who get 2,500? 2,500. 2,500. 2,500. Have it about 25. Have it about you. 15. 1,600. Have it about 1,600. Have it about money's down. 15. Have it about 1,600. Have it about 16. 15. On this truck here. 15. 1,600. Now 17. Have it about 1,600. Now 17. Now 17. Now 18. Now 18. He's out. He's out. You heard 17. Gotta ask him. 1,800. Now 1,900. Have it about 19. 19. 19. Now 2. Which one you got? Have it about 2. No one. He's out. 21. The 2. They're both out. 22. Now 3. 23. Have it about 3. Have it about 2,300. Have it about 2,300. Have it about 33. Have it about 3. 1 in 3. Have it about 3. Have it about 3. 2,300. Have it about 2. Have it about 20. Have it about 3. Have it about 22,300. 22,300. 22,300. 22,300. Have it about 3. Now 4. The 4. Have it about 4. 24. Now 5. 25. The 4. 5. The 5. The 5. Have it about 5. Have it about 24. He's out right there. 24, 500. Have it about 4, 500. Have it about 24, 5. The 5. Have it about 5. Have it about 24, 500. Have it about 4, 5. The 5. The 5. Have it about 5. Have it about 24, 5. Have it about 5. Now say, have it about 2,600. 25,600. 25,600. 25,600. He's out again. 25. Have it about 6. Give it about 6. Give it about 25,600. Now 7. 27. Now 7. Now 7. Now 7. 2,700. Now 8. 28. Now 28. Your man's out. 28. Have it about 8. 8. Now 9. Have it about 29. Then 9. Then 9. Give it about 9. 28. 9. Have it about 9. Give it about 9. 28. 900. Then 9. Give it about 9. 39. Have it about 3. 3. Then 1. 31. 31. The 1. Give it about 1. 3,100. The 1. Give it about 1. Have it about 31. The 1. The 1. Give it about 1. 2. 32. 2. Your man's out. 3,200. 1. Have it about 2. Give it about 2. 31. 200. Give it about 2. Give it about 2. Give it about 31. 2. Have it about 2. The 30. 3,300. Have it about 2. 3. 3. 3. Chris Real. 3,300. Have it about 2. 3. 3. 3. Have it about 2. Give it about 30. Have it about 3. Have it about 32,300. Now 4. Have it about 3,400. The 4. The 4. Give it about 4. Give it about 34. 5. 3,500. The 5. The 5. Give it about 5. Give it about 3,500. Have it about 5. Now 600. 35. 600. Give it about 6. Give it about 6. 35. 600. Have it about 35. Give it about 6. Give it about 6. Give it about 35. 35. Give it about 35. 50. 600. Have it about 35. Got time. 35. 50. 600. 35. 50. 600. Give it about 6. Give it about 6. Give it about 35. 50. 600. Have it got me 6 Crystal. Have it about 36. 36. 36. 36. 36. 36. 36. 36. 36. Got 6. now 7, 37, 37, 37, 30, give it about 7, now 7, now 7, 3,700, give it about 6, now 7, 37, now 7, now 7, now 7, now 7, 3,700, give it about 6, give it about 37, now give it about 6, 700, give it about 6, 700, give it about 6, give it about 37, 3,700. You want back in, 37? You've been with us all the way, 3,700. 6, 7. Give it about 37, 637. So, your way, $3,600. 1110.
1110.
All right, here we go. Now we're going to this four-wheeler right here, which is lot number...
6-3.
Is that a 4? You have 634, Crystal?
634. So, fire right up. Let's see. You don't need it. Deer season's right around the corner.
634 right here. Four-wheel drive.
That's good.
All right, here we go. Give it about, give hard, give it about, give hard. What do you think here?
How much, guys?
Who get 3,500? If it's about 35. If it's about 35, the 5, if it's about 3,000. If it's about 3, if it's about 3, if it's about 3, if it's about, who get 2,000? If it's about 2. Like you said, deer season's around the corner. If it's about 2, if it's about 1,000, 11. If it's about 1,100, if it's about down now 11, now 11, now 11. They've been using it around here the whole time we've been getting this ready. 1,000, 11. If it's about 1,100, if it's about 11, now 11. If it's about 1,100, 11, now 12. If it's about 11, 12, if it's about 12, if it's about 12, if it's about 12. Give it about 11, 1,200. Give it about 12, give it about 12, give it about 12, give it about 12, give it about 11, 1,200. Give it about 12, give it about 12, give it about 12, give it about 12, give it about 11, 12, 13, 1,400, 1,400. Your man's out, 1,400. Give it about 14, 1,500, 1,600. Give it about 16, that's 1,700, 1,700. Now 1,800, 1,800. Now 1,900, 19. Give it about 19. Give it about 1,900. Give it about 18, 19. Give it about 19. Now 2,000. Give it about 2. Give it about 2. He's out. 2,000. Give it about 2. Give it about 2. Now 1. 2,100. 21. Give it about 1. 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 Give it about 21. Give it about 1. Give it about 1. Give it about 21. Give it about 1. Give it about 1. Give it about 21.
What's your number?
So $2,000. 175. 175 is the buyer. All right, here we go right here. Fire up number 600 right here will be the Mercedes.
Anybody know how many miles there are? I'll look. 141 on the mile. 141 on the mile. Oh yeah.
Diesel right here. Jerry's drove this to town a couple times. What year was this again? 1997. All right, give it about, give hard. What do you think of there? Give it about, give hard. What do you think about? Give it about, give it about, give it about. Who get 5,000? Give it about 5 where? 5,000. Give it about 5. Give it about 5. Give it about 5. Give it about 5. Give it about 4,500. Give it about 45. 45. 45. Give it about. Give it about. Who get 4,000 star? Give it about 4. Give it about 4. Give it about 4. Give it about 4. Give it about 4,000. Give it about 4. Give it about. Give it about. Give it about. It's an E3000. If it about give hard, what do you think in there? If it about, who get 3,000 star? If it about 3, if it about, they drove to town a couple times. If it about 3, if it about 2,000, 21. If it about 2,100. If it about 1, if it 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 about 2,100. If it about 1, if it about 1, if it about 21, the 1, if it about 1,000, 11, 1,100, 1,100. 1,100, 1,011. If it about 1,100. If it about 1,000. If it about 11. Now 11. If it about down 11. He can't rent a car that cheap for a week. 1,000, 1,100. If it about down 1,100. You got 11? Now 12. Now 12. If it about 11, 1,200. 11, 1,200. 11, 12. Now 13. Now 13, Crystal. If it about 12. If it about 13, 1,400. If it about 1,400. 14, 1,500. 15, Crystal. If it about 15. If it about 15, 16, Frank. 1,600. 1,600. 15, 16. If it about 16. If it about 1,600. If it about 16. 15. If it about 1,600. 15, 1,600. If it about 16. If it about Frank, you want back in $1,600. If it about 16. 15, 16. 1,600. If it about 16. If it about 16. 15, 15, up and around 16, 15, 16, now 17, now 17, now 17, Crystal, up and around 1700, now 18, Frank, up and around 18, you said that before, up and around 1800, up and around 18, 18, 18, 18, 7 around 18, 7 around 18, 7 around 18, 7 around 1800, 7 around 18. So, $1,700 your way, Crystal.
1092.
1092.